Okay, so let's talk about gravity. All right, now, just so you know, when scientists talk about gravity, they're not talking about gravity actually on Earth. They're talking about gravity they're talking about planetary forces, like planets flying around planets. Okay, and let me show you, just so you can see. Okay, so what are the four fundamental forces on the Earth? Boom. All right, let's see what they are. Okay, so you got gravity, electromagnetism, the strong nuclear force, and the weak nuclear force. So there's the four fundamental forces. Okay, now let's look up gravity. Gravity. Okay, so let's cruise down here. Gravity is pulling towards each other. That's actually false. Really, this dude flying around space. Here we go. Okay, let's click on gravity. Gravity, Wikipedia. Okay, in physics, gravity, fundamental interaction, blah, blah. Gravity is by far the weakest of the four fundamental forces that I just showed you. It's 10 to the 38 zeros times weaker than the strong interaction, which I think is like atoms attracting to atoms, stuff like that. I don't even, not sure. 10 to the 36 times weaker than electromagnetism, and 10 to the 29th zeros weaker than the weak interaction. So you see, on Earth, gravity is a super, super weak force. How would you even measure 10 to the 36th power weaker than electromagnetic force? Right? Okay, so imagine somebody was stepping on your face, and the guy weighs 250 pounds, right? Now, gravity is not doing it. The actual gravity force I just showed you is only 0.0000000.37 zeros, 2/5 of a pound, which I don't even think is measurable. So it's obviously electrical forces that are pushing down on your face. So I personally renamed gravity electravity because it's electrical forces that are squashing this guy's head. Let's see what Walter, MIT professor, has to say.
If you compare electricity with gravity, you will see that electric forces are way more powerful than gravitational forces. If now I compare the electric force with the gravitational force, so I divide one by the other, notice that the d cancels. They both have d squared downstairs. And so you will easily be able to show that this ratio is roughly 10 to the 36. So the electric force is 36 orders of magnitude more potent than the gravitational attraction. It's really electric forces that hold our world together.
It's really electric forces that hold our world together.
This is called gravity.
Wrong, Neil. Since there is no gravity on Earth, it's electrical forces that are pushing the microphone down to the ground. It's electravity.